This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Kim Colcord. Looking for a well-maintained 3-bed, 3-bath home with a mountain feel? Terrific privacy with 2.77 acres at the back of My Mountain Meadowoods subdivision. The home has ample storage so you can enjoy your living space in the N GA Mtn property. The spacious kitchen has plenty of cabinets and ample-sized pantry for easy access. This property has bedrooms and full bath on each floor with a unique screened-in porch which encompasses the entire house of the main living level. Home includes a 2-car garage. This location is 10 to 15 minutes from Blue Ridge and 20 minutes to Blairsville with easy access to Highway 515. Come take a look, it won't last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Kim.